Hello, this is me, Alira. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Partner company. And I'm here with an interesting, amazing new question today. But before I start with the question, in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now, let's move forward on the question I have today. And the question is, my Google Ads aren't running after nearly 2 weeks, no ad spend and no impressions. I have done keyword research and widened the parameters. I have never encountered this before. All as groups, as groups are eligible. Ads group. Okay, so a few search terms are saying this keyword is not triggering an ad because another keyword is identical to the search term, or its spell correction, or it's not showing due to low ad rank. Keywords all have search volume in Google Keyword Planner. Budget is $250 a day. No maximum CPC set. Any advice is appreciated over here. So I can see, first of all, this is your diagnostic. You have created the campaign, you have policy review approved, your impressions are expected but they are not coming. And in case if I look on the second image, which I can see over here, that your campaign is goals are specific to phone calls, leads. Your marketing objective is sales. You have enabled Google search network, search partners. The data should be fine, while your bidding strategy is maximize conversions. So there are few things which I felt over here, which I think that needs to be addressed over in this your issue. So I'm going to write over here. First of all, the bidding strategy you are mentioning over here is maximize conversions, shift to uh, maximize clicks. I assume that because you have never encountered this before, it means that you have a data before. Because ideally, I do not recommend people to run maximize conversions until and unless they have a good data of conversion. So even if you have it, I still recommend you to shift back to maximize clicks for some time. And because you have no maximum CPC set and suddenly all of your traffic is lost, there are few things which you need to look around now. First of all is look around on your impression share, how much impression share you are getting. Because what you have to do is to figure out impression share is to simply go to your campaign and over here go to your metrics and simply turn on over here your impression share. Right now you can see over here the impression share, just and then simply select the apply, and then you will be able to see your impression share over here and look around and compare it with your, let's say, last week, last month, or this month, to see in case if you have lost something or in case if there is any change. Do figure out in case if there is a change. Also, I highly recommend you guys, for a short period of time, you need to change your keyword match type to uh, keyword match type to broad match or to phrase match, and see if you get any traffic, or you can shift to broad match to see in case if you get any traffic. The reason I feel that, because you said that the keyword is not triggering an ad because another keyword is identical, or it's not showing due to low ad rank, is basically your ad structure may have multiple keywords correlating with each other. So your campaign needs an organizer, campaign structure needs to be improved. Also, your quality score needs to be improved. For quality score, CPC definitely plays a huge role. And while you said that you have not set any CPC requirement, you need to work on your CTR. CTR means click-through rate. Click-through rate, how many people click on your ad, and also focus on ad relevancy. For increasing the CTR, I highly recommend you to add ad extensions like promo deals, coupon deals, and like if you can see like this rating extension, ad extensions, call extension, location extensions, so that your ad can become noticeable. This can help you in increasing your CTR. And also do ad relevancy means create small theme based ads like 2 to 3 keywords, and for them there is a specific ad. This can help you in increasing more personalization with every ad, and also improve your landing page experience. So focus on these things, and this can definitely help you. But again, in case if you need a thorough research of your account, your campaign, to see what's working well or what is the main cause of the issue which has turned it into a disaster over here, and we can help you and let you know, and along with our detailed checkout list through which you can find out other issues in your company. So in case if you want to hire for us, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we look forward in working out and solving out those issues. So yeah, I hope you like my quick resolve. But in case again, if you need a thorough research, you can, or even the audience need a thorough research, they can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Take care and bye bye.